Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to get this all wired up so users can actually sign up, move to different views, and yeah, get rolling on the app. So cool. Where we left off, we laid out this view. We got a nice looking sign up view. One thing I'm just going to add really quick is just a label that says the name of your app. Again, we can come back and customize all this later, but um, it's just nice to have something up there for now. Um, so again, I'm kind of going to blaze through this part. In the last series, I showed you how to set pretty basic constraints. All I did was center this horizontally into the top. So I have ghost chat. I'm going to make it white, beef up the font, and I'm going to change it to something custom, something fun like Futura maybe, or marker fell for now. Cool. And update the frames. All right, now we have something a little better looking. So let's get this wired up. There's a couple different ways to connect these buttons to this view controller, but I'm going to show you what I think is the easiest way. So if you hit these two circles, it'll show the assistant editor, and it'll actually show the splash view controller on the right with your view on the left. So let's, we have .h and .m, and we can put these in the .m. So go ahead and make sure you have the sign up button selected and control click and drag it right below the interface. And then let go. So this is going to create a connection to your code basically. And this is specifically going to be an outlet for the button so we can reference that button. So let's call it sign up button. Cool. And let's do the same for login button. So control, make sure you have it selected, and drop it right below the other property, login button. Yeah, you got to make sure though that this is the view, the same two files that you reference here. So splash view controller, or else it won't work. And you'll get login button. Next thing we want to do is actually make action outlets. So if they touch a button, we know what to do with it. So basically, do the same thing with login button, except drag it below the implementation, and usually below these other methods is a good spot, and let go. And so you can see that this is an action, not necessarily an outlet, and we're going to do touch up inside. That's standard. That just means if they hit the button. So let's do login action connect. Same thing here, sign up action. Cool. So these buttons will actually get hit, and again, we can throw an nslog, hit tab to let it autocomplete for you, and then @ testing login method. Do the same thing here, testing signup method, and let's run it. So these should get called if they touch the login or sign up button, and we should be able to see it in our console. If you're not seeing the console, just toggle it with this, and make sure you can see it. Cool, so we got ghost chat. If I hit sign up button, testing sign up method, cool, that's right there. So we're going to want to throw in all our sign up code right here. Login, that's right there. So, all right, we're wired up. Now it's just time to actually do some coding and make these do something. So let's hit stop. And we're going to actually need another view controller for the sign up view, and one new one for the login, but we're going to do the sign up. So go to the object library and just type in UI view controller, or you can do view controller. And again, we can just drag this right into our storyboard, and let's put it, you can zoom in and zoom out by pinching. So let's put it right here. We'll put our login right below it. Cool. And then what we can actually do is control from the sign up, hit sign up, control click to this view. And this will initiate what's called a segue. So it'll tell the code to go to this view when you hit this button, which is what we want. So this is going to be sign up view, and then like up here, we're gonna want to create a view controller for the sign up view so we can control this view. So let's add that really quick. File, Cocoa Touch class, and let's call it sign up view controller. Cool. And it's gotta be UI view controller, Objective C. Again, make sure it's add to the target. Sweet. And let's delete all this crap like we did last time. And get rid of the comments. Cool. So we have sign up view and splash view. Back to the storyboard. We want to make sure that this is assigned to the sign up view. So just type sign, it'll automatically do that. Sweet. And then now we can start designing the sign up view controller basically how we want. So if we look back at our flow, we're going to want a sign up form. So to do that, we're going to use a variety of different elements, but I'm going to use plain old UI text fields for this and a couple buttons. So we'll come back and do this part in the next series. I'm actually going to go ahead and design this now, and when we launch up the next series, I'll show you what the form looks like, and we'll go through the process of kind of setting it up really quick. But I want to continue making progress and moving fast. So take a break, come back, we'll have the sign up form done, and we'll actually let them sign up.